In this lesson, we understand how to turn on and off the lamp using the limit switch input, relay, and 2 timers through the terminal block. According to the limit switch input, the power is supplied to the relay and the lamp can be turned on and off only for a certain period of time using a timer. Notice the simple sequence drawing on the right side of the screen. Also, please refer to the description of each instrument below the drawing. When the main power is turned on, the GL lamp lights up by the timer B contact at the end of the drawing. Then, when the limit switch LS's input power is supplied to the relay RI timer T1 and the RL lamp lights up. After 3 seconds of timer T1, the GL lamp goes out, and power is supplied to timer T2. Timer T2 after a certain period of 5 seconds, the relay RI timer T1 power supply is cut off and the RL lamp turns off and the GL lamp turns on. For detailed electrical sequence wiring, you can obtain wiring information for each device through a video card or a description column. Now check the connection of each device and check the operation.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Input on. LS. Input off. LS. 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 Input off. Wiring breaker.
Skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Input on. LS. Input off. LS. Input on. LS. Input off. LS. Input on. LS. Input off. LS. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.